Hello everyone. Welcome back to Psychology Class for All. In today's class, we'll explore the difference between Z-score and percentile rank. Two important ways to describe where a person stands in a distribution of scores. By the end of this session, you will clearly understand when to use Z-score and when to interpret percentile ranks in psychological testing. So, just to start with a recap of Z-score and percentile rank. Let's begin with a quick recap. A Z-score tells us how far a particular score is from the mean and its units of standard deviation. It's calculated using the formula that we have already discussed in previous videos. You can check out there. Z-score is equal to raw score minus mean divided by standard deviation. So if the Z-score is positive, the score is above the mean. If it's negative, the score is below the mean. For example, if a student score 80 on a test where the mean is 70 and the standard deviation is 5, so the Z-score will be plus 2. That means the student's performance is 2 standard deviations above the average, as we can see in this normal probability curve. Now a recap about percentile rank. A percentile rank shows the percentage of people who scored below a particular score in a group. So if your percentile rank is 84, it means you scored better than 84% of people who took the same test. For example, in a test with 100 students, a percentile rank of 84 means you performed better than 84 students and lower than 16. Now, the connections, how these two are related. Both Z-score and percentile rank describe the position of a score in a distribution, but they do it differently. The Z-score uses standard deviation units, that is a mathematical distance, and percentile rank uses percentage, a position relative to others. They are directly linked through the normal distribution table. Each Z-score corresponds to a specific percentile. Here we can see the relative percentile rank with the Z-scores. So a Z-score of plus 1 means the person is scored higher than 84% of the group. Key differences. Let's clearly compare these two. So first column talks about the basis like definition, mean, range, nature, and the use of Z-score and percentile rank. So we can see that Z-score can be defined as the distance from mean in standard deviation units, while percentile rank can be defined as the percentage of scores below a given score. Z-score has got a mean of 0 and percentile rank has got a mean of 50th percentile. Z-score's range is plus minus infinity and percentile rank 0 to 100. Z-score's nature is quantitative, mathematical, and percentile rank's nature is ordinal, that is rank based. Z-score can be used for precise comparisons and further calculations, where percentile rank can be used for easy interpretation of performance. So Z-score are great for statistical analysis, while percentile rank are great for simple, understandable interpretation, especially in educational or psychological reports. Now, when to use which one? In psychological research, a Z score are used for data interpretation, standardization, and comparisons between tests. In assessment reporting, percentile ranks are used to communicate results in an easy to understand way for clients, teachers, and parents. So to sum up, it can be said that Z scores tells us how far a score is from the mean, and percentile ranks tells us how many people scored below that score. Both describe the position but from different viewpoints. One from mathematical viewpoint and other as comparative viewpoint. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Psychology Class for All for more easy explanations of psychology and statistics. Thank you.